Janvi, let's find some clothes for you. What do you think about this pink skirt?
It's nice, Mom, but I want to see more options.
How about this blue shirt, Janvi? And look at this yellow skirt.
I like both, Mom. The blue shirt is so vibrant and the yellow skirt is so bright.
That's right, Janvi. Vibrant and bright are adjectives because they describe the colors of the clothes.
Mom, what's an adjective?
Adjectives are words that describe or modify nouns, Janvi. They give us more information about the noun. For example, when we say vibrant blue shirt, vibrant blue is the adjective describing the color of the shirt.
Oh, I see. So adjectives help us describe things better, right?
Exactly, Janvi. They add detail and make our language more interesting. What about this soft sweater, Janvi? And check out this fluffy jacket.
The sweater looks so cozy, Mom. And the jacket seems so fluffy and warm.
Well observed, Janvi. Cozy and fluffy are adjectives because they describe the clothes. Remember, Janvi, adjectives can also tell us about taste, odor, sound, number, weather, and quantity.
Got it, Mom.
We've found some lovely clothes for you, Janvi. I hope you like them.
Thank you, Mom. I love them. Learning about adjectives made shopping even more fun.
I'm glad you enjoyed it, Janvi. Adjectives help us describe the world around us in detail.
Yes, Mom. They make everything more interesting.